Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Friday morning and I just got home from Walmart. I've been trying to get my grocery shopping done on Fridays because the weekends are kind of chaotic. This haul was $100 on the dot, which is kind of the price point I'm trying to stay at right now while our house is on the market. So I'm not stocking up overly on things. So I thought I got a lot of good stuff for $100. So I'm gonna show you guys starting over here. I did find in my freezer some Trader Joe's. It's like a frozen vegetable fried rice mix that I want to use up this week. So I got this orange chicken. It's by Innovation, I guess it's called. It's like a USA company. I've never tried this product from them, but I'm going to go ahead and make this with that Trader Joe's fried rice one night this week. And then I also have some steamed edamame right here that I grabbed at Publix that I want to make as a complete meal. So this will like be the veggie and then I'll do the chicken and the Trader Joe's fried rice. So that's one meal this week. My husband wanted oatmeal cream pies, super random. He doesn't really ever ask for anything, so I grabbed them because he specifically wanted them. I got some Nature Valley chocolate pretzel nut bars for Matt's lunches. Some more of the delectables for my cat. She's been having like one of these, sometimes two a day. They're very, very small, so I grabbed those. I got some cinnamon raisin English muffins for breakfast in the morning. Some of our cage-free large brown eggs. I'm gonna do some hard-boiled eggs this week. 3-pound bag of cuties. I got some of the coleslaw mix. I've been talking about this stuff for a long time. It's like $1.50, I believe. Great hack for a side dish. Obviously you can use it for coleslaw, and with, you know, St. Patrick's Day coming up, I strongly encourage anybody who likes cabbage to try this little hack. Again, it's just the tricolor coleslaw mix. I just saute it up and a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. I also really like it with the Trader Joe's, everything with the bagel seasoning. You can season it any way, but a little trick that I like to do is add in some pepperoni. I just get like any pepperoni will do, and I just slice it in half, and I just toss a bunch in with this cabbage, and I don't know, it's just something about it is really good. My mom did that a lot with cabbage, the combination of these two. I don't know where she got that from, but they're a really good combo. Really easy side dish and very flavorful as well. Obviously the pepperoni is optional. Some bananas. I got some Simply Go-Gurts for Grady. He takes those to school for breakfast. Some Stonyfield. This is the strawberry beet and berry yogurt pouches for Grady. I got a thing of ground beef for a recipe this week. Some of the Oscar Mayer natural turkey breast for sandwiches this week. Some white beans for a recipe. Some Simply potatoes for a breakfast skillet or breakfast option. This week, got some On the Vine tomatoes, some shredded iceberg for a recipe. I got a couple of these Hormel Natural Choice. They are the pepperoni cheese and crackers and salami cheese and crackers, little snack packs for Matt's lunches. Some Danimal strawberry yogurt pouches, our white cranberry strawberry ocean spray juice. Some of the Cheesecake Factory. This is the Coffee Mate Dolce de Leche Cheesecake Factory coffee creamer. Matt will probably be way more into this than me. I tend to go for like more plain creamers, but very excited to try that for him. Big thing of kale for a couple recipes. Lately I've been on a huge yogurt and granola kick, which is super random because I'm not the hugest yogurt fan. But I've been trying different kinds of granola. So this week I'm trying the Cascadian Farm Lemon Blueberry Granola. And I pretty much just take like a little yogurt like this, stir it up, dump it in a bowl. I add some fresh fruit. Last week I used blueberries and strawberries, and then I was using kiwi, and then I just dump a whole bunch of this granola. I'm actually gonna have some after I film this because I'm starving. It's the morning right now, so I'm just gonna have a bowl of granola, yogurt, and fruit. Really good and easy. Grady's, my son's been asking for specifically apple Nutri-Grain bars, like specifically apple. So I grabbed a big box of those. I got some Ritz, the Fresh Stack box for a hot dip that I'm making this week. And then I also grabbed these shrimp egg rolls. Never tried these before, and I'll probably go ahead and just make a couple of them with that meal that I mentioned earlier with that orange chicken, rice, and edamame. So again, that's part of a meal. Got a bunch of yogurts. I like the Yoplait Original specifically, so I got a strawberry a strawberry kiwi, a peach, a banana split, a cherry, and then a blueberry. So I just try to get a variety. I've been eating like one every day, so I'll probably have to grab some more. And then I got some plain Greek yogurt for a hot dip that I'm gonna make. I got some Thousand Island dressing for a recipe, some marinated artichoke hearts for a recipe, and then this is the coffee that we drink on the weekend, because during the week we use K-cups, and on the weekend I brew a whole pot of coffee Saturday and Sunday since we're home. So I got the Folgers hazelnut. I think that's everything, guys. Again, $100, which I thought was a great deal, and I'm gonna share with you my meal plan for the week. All right, guys, meal plan for the week, Sunday the 18th through Saturday the 24th. So one night I'm gonna make a white bean artichoke and kale dip that I actually did a video on. I collaborated with my friend Gabrielle, she is a food blogger over at Mind Body Meal Prep. I will link the video her and I did below where we made this dip. It is really good. I've made it one other time since we filmed that collaboration together. But it's a really good, healthy alternative to like something like a spinach artichoke dip. And it's very hearty. So one night I'm actually going to make that dip with some Ritz crackers, or I'll get like pita chips or something. In addition to dip it, you could also dip like celery or carrot sticks in it. It's just a really hearty, delicious, and a healthier alternative. So I'm going to do that, and then we have some chicken wings to use up. Some jumbo chicken wings. We're getting a stretch of hot weather. It's going to be like 80 degrees today here, and then we're going to be doing a lot of grilling, you know, in the next couple weeks. So anyways, we're going to do the white bean dip with grilled chicken wings one night. One night I'm going to do some taco salads with loaded nachos. I already have the taco seasoning and the meat, and then I bought more meat for another recipe. But yeah, taco salads with loaded nachos, and I always make extra of this, of the taco meat, so I can do taco salads for lunch the next day. I have some chicken thighs I still need to use up, so I'm either going to bake them or pan fry them. And then I'll make rice or quinoa with roasted veggies, and I'll make extra of this too for lunches. That Asian dinner that I mentioned, the Trader Joe's fried rice, orange chicken, the edamame, and then I'll just do like a couple egg rolls, like one each. That'll be an easy dinner as well. And then I did find a new recipe. I think I found it on Pinterest or just online, and I found the actual pin on Pinterest. It's called a Big Mac bowl, which is like all the flavors of a Big Mac in a bowl, so there's no bread. So I'm gonna attempt to make that. I'm actually gonna make it with some fries. I have some Trader Joe's garlic fries that I'm gonna do in my air fryer, and put the fries like on top or off to the side. So it should be interesting. If it comes out good, we'll see. I'll try and find that pan and link it down below in this video. Because it looks really good. It just has the beef, the shredded lettuce, the tomato, the Russian dressing, and something else. And then I'm gonna do like it's gonna be interesting. I don't know about this yet, but I'm gonna try it. I have a pie crust to use up, so I'm gonna do roasted veggie and cheese quiche one night next week with a salad, and then of course my usual night breakfast or leftovers, which I'll probably do like pancakes or French toast with sausage or bacon, and then some kind of potato, maybe some fruit. Anyways, this is a meal plan for the week, guys. I keep getting questions about this planner, and I know there's new people that join every week, but this is a Carrie L meal planner. It's a laminated cover, nice and thick, a lot of different tabs. I love this thing. I use it every week. I've been using the Carrie L meal planners for over 2.5 years now. I will link the video review I did on this down below, and I also have a permanent discount code through Carrie L, which I'll link all that down below in the description box. I will see you very soon in my next video. Have a great weekend, guys.